Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and finance to make it super easy for you. Today, we're tackling how to transfer XRP from Trust Wallet to PayPal in 2025. With regulations tightening and new features popping up, this guide will help you navigate the process smoothly. Let's dive right in. First off, why would you want to do this? XRP is a fast and efficient cryptocurrency, but sometimes you need to convert it to cash for everyday use. Before we start, make sure you have a few things ready: a Trust Wallet app with XRP in it, a verified PayPal account, and access to a reputable crypto exchange like Coinbase or Binance, as direct transfers from wallets to PayPal aren't always straightforward due to security protocols. Step 1. Open your Trust Wallet and go to your XRP wallet. Tap on Send or Withdraw to initiate the transfer. You'll need to send your XRP to an exchange first, so copy the exchange's wallet address for XRP. Step 2. In Trust Wallet, enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer, paste the exchange wallet address, and confirm the transaction. Double-check everything to avoid any costly mistakes. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Step 3. Once your XRP arrives at the exchange, sell it for your local currency, like USD. Head to the withdrawal section and select PayPal as your payout method. Enter your PayPal email and the amount, then verify with any required 2FA codes. By 2025, keep an eye out for new regulations that might affect fees or limits, so always check for updates on the exchange's site. Remember, fees can add up, so calculate them beforehand to maximize your gains. There you have it. That's how you get your XRP into PayPal. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Stay safe out there, and let's chat in the comments. Thanks for watching.